Earthquake insurance. Earthquake insurance is a policy or endorsement that covers damage to your home resulting from a specific seismic event. The coverage will typically specific a time period, usually 72 or forward. The constitutions constitutes a single event. Insurance is designed to cover a damage to your home and possibly depending on your policy specifics. Other structures on your property, such as the detached garage or pool, you may also be covered for personal property up to the limit you choose when purchasing the policy. It's important to note that your standard homeowner's insurance policy doesn't cover the damage from earthquake. The best is to the best it may to do is to cover the damage caused by the fire that frequently occurred after the earthquake. Still, for damage caused by a seismic activity itself, so you'll need an additional endorsement on your policy. If you live in a especially high risk area like California, you may need a separate earthquake insurance policy. Emergency repairs needed to prevent further damage, necessary rebuilding code, upgrade and requirement land stabilization that are typically included in an earthquake home insurance coverage. So standard earthquake coverage also include loss of the coverage for additional housing expenses while your home is being repaired. Fire damage caused by earthquake will generally be covered by your standard homeowner's policy because fire is a named policy peril. Earthquake policies doesn't usually cover damage to your land, except for where it's supposed your home or your vehicle, which should be covered if you have a comprehensive car insurance. Uh, do you need a earthquake insurance? So in most cases, lenders don't require earthquake insurance as they do have home owners insurance. However, it is not because earthquake are of no concern to homeowner. According to the National Association of Insurance um Commissioners, 42 of 50 states are at risk of experiencing an earthquake. So that means that for most of us, a risk assessment is essential. Earthquakes are not uncommon in U.S. And up to 16 earthquakes with a magnitude of 7.0 or higher occur on the average per year. The aftermath can lead to the expensive building repair and replacement costs. A joint study from a U.S. Geological Survey and the Federal Emergency Management Agency found that the earthquake damage in the U.S. cost an estimate of $14.7 billion each year. So, how much is earthquake insurance? It costs various greatly depend on your location and other factors. Like with the other forms of insurance, the cost of earthquake policy will typically increase based on how at risk your home is for an earthquake. This means that your homeowner is a low risk area will typically pay significantly less than a homeowner in a high risk area. So if you live in California, which has a frequently high earthquake rate, the California Earthquake Authority has resources to help you to determine how much earthquake insurance costs, including an earthquake premium calculator. Factors that impact the cost of the earthquake insurance. The rate you pay for the earthquake insurance is usually determined by your insurance company using specific data about your home and location, including the likelihood of the earthquake damage. The NAIC cities rating factors that include the following: your home's proximity to a seismic zone, your home's age, your foundation and construction type, or the deductible you choose, the cost to build your home, and the additional coverage. Just as with your standard policy, your coverage should ensure the total rebuilding cost of your home, also known as replacement coverage.